Hello everyone, week in the life and times. I'm in the city centre. I've just driven this car here and we have noticed a bit of stuff coming out of it. So we've got a bit of a coolant leak. If you're not subscribed by the way, consider doing so, because that does really help me out. But let's get under this bloody bonnet. Yep, we're leaking from that pipe there, it's like with all them crystals on it. So, yikes. Doesn't look too bad, but doesn't look too good either. Don't come anywhere else, are we? Nah. Let's see how we go. No, of course it's still redundant. Let's see how we go. Life and times of Mimi the car, I guess. I think we'll be alright, but we just don't want that to go past there and become an absolute ache. So I've released all the coolant. As you can see, there is nothing in there. I know that's the worst thing you can do, but hey, no coolant. And I've just taken a spark plug out, and these look like they haven't been changed in ages. So this is my new one. I've just got some NGKs. But yeah, look at that. If I can get it to focus. Not very good at all. Very rusty. Some grease on these, and then we'll stick them in. Looks like she hasn't had any spark plugs changed in quite a while. But all's good for the Maestro maintenance vlog. But yeah, I think I'm going to hammerite all that down there as well. Once I've scratched it all down, that is. Cool. I'm doing them one at a time like an absolute idiot, because I have this big fear of me like putting the firing on, putting the leads on wrong. Guess that's a remap, isn't it? It's going to be popping and banging like a golf. Yeah, let's get these other three out. I'd say the most satisfying thing about changing your plugs is seeing all that. Looks like the actual the conductive material on the bit that goes like that has actually come off. I watched an engineering explain video on it anyway. But the second most is this. These tiny little boxes that come in. I look like a right baller in the shop because they gave me it's like box of 10. I've only ordered 4. Nice. There's the 4 old ones looking rather crap. There's the 4 new ones looking alright. So I just need to get some coolant in and out, and yeah, we should be good to go. Might want to top the oil up as well actually, because it's not looking too good. Epic thing, these were all £1.35. Mine is actually running on 10 W40 fully synthetic, believe it or not. Chose the oil out of my own choice. After trying the semi-synthetic that was recommended, it runs a whole lot better. Really smooth, and it's not ticky at the top end either. So let's try that. Let's get some more oil in there. So I've taken it out for a drive and the leaking has stopped. So that is brilliant. Also, new oil filter. How great's that? So we've had new oil filter, new plugs, changed the coolant, sorted some hose issues out. We've also got an air filter on order, which I need to obviously collect. So that comes in a week. And that's about it. We've also done a bit of underbody seal magic just to make it a bit more presentable, not like it wasn't already. I'm dead pleased with that, so I'll probably take you on a drive in a moment and rant at you. What the heck is this for? Hold up, what is that for? Very weird. Hello everyone, so just to finish the Maestro video off, so we had that coolant issue at the front, as you can see, and we also did give her a little bit of a service. This is of course quite a bit ago, but we also had another boo-boo in terms of the coolant and stuff, so let's open her right now, take a look. So we've unfortunately, so I was looking underneath there just to see, because there was a bit of a leak, and then I peeled the carpet back, and all of a sudden literally water there, well, coolant was gushing everywhere. So those pipes have well and truly gone funny. So there you go, we've got a bit of a janky bypass there. Thanks AA man again for that. Just want to make sure it's not like jamming my speedo cable or anything, but we'll be all right.
So she's all serviced and everything now, and it runs like an absolute dream. So I'll just go crank her up. Let's just put the bonnet up. Balancing this on my head. It's a thing only a YouTube person could do. Just go crank her up. Again, she's not let's give her a start and you'll see how nice she sounds. Also, someone cut the bloody brake whatchamacallit, the brake sensors, so that light wasn't coming on. Thanks Dan for letting me know about that. I have this really big fear that I'm going to lock it with the keys in. Yeah, it runs like an absolute dream now, and the fan comes on. So the fan wasn't coming on before. Now we fitted a bypass. Well, the Maestro guys fitted a bypass for that. Just basically bridges it and turns it on all the time, as you all know. But it was keeping it on all the time, and obviously with it being winter, it wasn't turning on. Well, it was on all the time, and the car wasn't heating up correctly. So basically, what I've done is, since that's been back together, I've put the fan back on, and it actually turns on when it gets warm now. It doesn't sit there like overheating. Another update really with this is the interior is a lot cleaner as well. We've got our headlining is on its way to be done, so that's brilliant. I'm unsure whether or not I'm going to do it though yet, because I'm sort of a bit between storing it and still, my clock's wrong. I'm sort of a bit between storing it and still driving it during the winter. Does any one of you guys ever drove one of these things in the winter? I'm sure one of you has. So let me know how it is. Should I drive her in the winter? Should I put her away? It'll only cost me a few quid to put her away, and I'm not too bothered if I do. So that's something that's on the cards. As well with this car, there's something else on the cards. We are getting a new piece put in there. We're getting something welded in there. All of this tidied up. These arches will be getting sorted out as well. This arch isn't too bad, that'll be getting sorted out though. And this one isn't too bad, but I need that sorting out. So the thing for me really is, after seeing some of the lovely early HLE, that is made out of better metal than this, I have to admit. And that is a known fact, that the earlier cars are built a bit better than these late cars. So that is something I really sort of want to get sorted out, is all this rust, because the sills and everything are fairly solid, as you can see. Not too bad. Is my fan on yet? Yes, she's on. The fan is on. So that's another breakthrough. So thanks again for watching this one, everybody. More updates to follow on this. The next video, I believe, will probably be the 75, because she's been a pain in the neck again. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, and remember to subscribe for more.